The molar conductance of 0.2 molar solution of a weak acid HA is 2.8 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. The molar conductance of HA at infinite dilution is 140 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Calculate the pH of 0.2 molar solution of HA. First, by using lambda m and lambda m naught values, we'll calculate the alpha value, where alpha is equal to lambda m by lambda m naught. Lambda m is molar conductance at given concentration and lambda m naught is molar conductance at infinite dilution. Lambda m is 2.8, lambda m naught is 140, alpha value is 0.02 is the alpha value. Now by using this alpha value and concentration 0.2 molar for weak acid, we can calculate the H plus ion concentration. For weak acid, H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha, where C is 0.2, alpha is 0.02. Value will get 0.004. We can write it as 4 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter. This is the H plus ion concentration. By using this H plus ion concentration, we can calculate the pH value. pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Minus log H plus ion concentration is 4 into 10 power minus 3. This log A into B. A is 4 and B is 10 power minus 3. So we can write it as log A plus log B. Log 4 plus log 10 power minus 3. Log 4 is 0.602. This we can write it as minus 3 log 10. Anyway, log 10 is 1. If you multiply with minus 0.602 plus 3, 3 minus 0.602 will get 2.398. So the value is, pH value for this is 2.39.